This is Jesse Fleming, and you're watching Lightning in a Bottle on MetroWise. My name is Jesse Fleming. I'm one of the executive producers of the Lightning in a Bottle Festival. We're pretty excited about the fact that the word's spreading far and wide, which is our goal, is to kind of promote this lifestyle and show people that there's definitely a different way to live. Like living creatively and with a lot of art in your life, and kind of doing what you want to do with your life, not just a 9 to 5, watching TV at nighttime, like really taking your life into your own hands and doing what you want.
Dirty.